Okay, I am going to give this exhaust sound recording another go. This time I haven't clipped anything to the exhaust tips. I've gaffer taped it onto the plastic undercarriage of the car on the inside of two of the, I don't know what you'd call them, they're like little fins, just so that it's not too close to the exhaust pipe, otherwise I think it'll just cut out. I'm also testing a suction cup inside the car too, so we'll see how that goes. Okay, drive mode, sport. I don't know why they call sport and normal, because sport to me is normal. So, car needs to warm up before it starts popping. And hopefully the exhaust sound works this time. So what I've done is connected up my mobile phone to, it's a double lav, and I've got one lav mic on either side of the car near each exhaust pipe, and the lead is actually quite long. I think it's a 3 meter long lead. So I've got the lavs all the way back where the exhaust pipes are, yet I've got my mobile phone capturing the sound inside the car right next to me. I've got a bit of a gloomy day today. Little pop-ups. So if this works, oh, there's traffic here. There's all those people wanting to go into town for a cafe latte. So if this setup works with the mics, oh my god, I can do one of these videos that I've been wanting to do almost ever since I bought the car, and that's a exhaust sound tunnel medley. Tunnels and car parks and under bridges. Yep. I'll have a camera on the inside, I'll have the mics on the outside, I will have GoPro on the outside capturing the exhaust pipes. Alright, first at the lights, that's what we like. If you can see the traffic behind me through the way that I've got the camera positioned. I might show you how the traffic just disappears. Alright, well, the lav mics are still on there nice and secure, which is good. I'm going to stop this recording, unplug it, and listen. Is it going to go? That sounds good. That's really good. So that's a car warming up. I just lost my little doover. Here it is. So I don't know if you can see that. It's really long. It goes all the way up there inside the boot. Anyway, that works. I'm really happy with that. I'll plug that back in. So, I've got the little jack. Plug that in. When the time comes, I just hit the record button there. And it's just capturing black video because it's not recording anything visually. Downshift. Welcome to the worst road on earth here. You definitely don't want to be in track mode on here with the suspensions a lot tighter because you really feel it. But the really good thing is, I came down this road to test this new suction cup and it was perfect. Compared to all the other suction cups that I've had. This one's really good. So I'll head home now. Certainly has a lot of personality. It's a very fun car to drive. Alright, traffic lights, but I'm not at the front. You'll be able to hear the turbo's sound. I can't hear it from inside, so I wonder if the mics will pick it up. And that's the last bit of fun. Okay. Well, hopefully that works out. If I do end up putting this up on YouTube as my little test video, signing out. Oh, no, to properly sign out, I should start to learn to ask you to like this video and to subscribe because I do have more videos coming up. So just do it.